Ever feel bloated, tired, or like you're gaining weight and nothing really explains it? I see this all the time, and more often than not, it's the liver. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH, are way more common than you'd think, and most people have no idea they're living with it. In this video, I'll share what I've learned from my own patients, the struggles they face, the myths they believe, and the simple, effective steps that actually help. So stay with me. This might just be the insight your body's been waiting for. Want to melt liver fat naturally and make it skinny? Stick around till the end. There's a powerful, tailored tip you won't want to miss. So what is non-alcoholic fatty liver? NAFLD and NASH happens when fat builds up in your liver, which is more than 5% of the liver weight, even if you don't drink alcohol. It can silently damage your liver over the period. Let's understand common myths and facts about fatty liver. Myth 1. It only affects obese people. Let's debunk this myth by associated facts. A diverse range of individuals are affected with NASH. Fact number 1. Insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. NASH is the liver's manifestation of metabolic syndrome linked to type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, central obesity, high triglycerides, low HDL, and hypertension. With global rates of diabetes and obesity soaring, NASH is rapidly becoming a major public health concern, raising liver disease burden and healthcare costs worldwide. Fact number 2. Jejuno-ileal bypass surgery. This surgery causes severe malabsorption of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, minerals, and vitamins, and has profound metabolic consequences. Along with many other consequences, it can lead to increased hepatic fat accumulation, steatosis, because of rapid weight loss and altered nutrient delivery. Fact number 3. Age. Highest risk in 40 to 65-year-olds, but these days, children are being seen with NAFLD as early as 2 years old and with NASH-related cirrhosis as young as age 8. Fact number 4. Ethnicity. Higher risk in Hispanics and Asians, lower risk in African Americans. Fact number 5. Positive family history, genetic predisposition. Fact number 6. Drugs and toxins, like amiodarone, Coralgil, tamoxifen, perhexylene maleate, corticosteroids, synthetic estrogens, methotrexate, IV tetracycline, highly active antiretroviral drugs. Myth 2. It's not serious. Let's highlight the potential for fatty liver to progress to cirrhosis, liver failure, and even liver cancer. Fact number 1. The disease can remain asymptomatic for years or can progress to cirrhosis and hepatocellular carcinoma. Fact number 2. The exact cause of NASH has not been elucidated, and it is almost certainly not the same in every patient. Fact number 3. Although it is most closely related to insulin resistance, obesity, and the metabolic syndrome, not all patients with these conditions have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NASH, and not all patients with NAFLD and NASH suffer from one of these conditions. Myth 3. There's no cure. Fact. Early detection and lifestyle changes is the key to prevent or manage the condition. The good news is, many liver diseases, like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, alcoholic fatty liver disease, and hepatitis A, B, and C, can be reversed if detected early. The liver's a self-repairing powerhouse. With just 25% healthy tissue, it can regrow to full size. As new cells form, fresh blood vessels develop to keep them nourished and functioning. Risk factors and associated conditions. The characteristics of a low-risk population are young, healthy, with low alcohol consumption, and not obese. What causes it? Factors contributing to fatty liver. First, obesity and weight gain. Excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, increases fat buildup in the liver. This is a key driver of fatty liver disease, as the liver struggles to process the surplus fat, leading to inflammation and damage over time. Second, unhealthy diet. Diets high in sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats overload the liver with fat and toxins. This promotes fat storage in liver cells, leading to fatty liver disease and liver inflammation. Third, lifestyle factors. Alcohol use, physical inactivity, and some medications can stress the liver and promote fat buildup. These factors reduce the liver's ability to function properly, increasing the risk of fatty liver disease. Once a medical mystery, cryptogenic liver cirrhosis had us stumped. until we realized the culprit was hiding in plain sight: fat. A few years ago, science had its aha moment and connected the dots between obesity, diabetes, high lipids, and fatty liver. Turns out, too much belly can mess with your liver jelly. This mystery is an outcome of ignoring the silent horse, liver, working 24/7 for your body. Be kind to your liver. Show some love. From an Ayurvedic perspective, this is Medo-dhatu-dushti, a fat tissue imbalance and ama accumulation caused by a weakened digestive fire, or Agni. Liver-friendly eating strategies. Avoid wrong food combinations. Practice eating good and fair combinations of foods. To learn more, watch our video on this topic, which is published on our channel already. Eat warm, light meals. Use bitter foods like methi, fenugreek, and Karela bittergourd at least 3 times a week. Avoid cold drinks, alcohol, and processed foods. Get into a routine. Try gentle yoga and spend time in the morning sun. Both support healthy liver metabolism. Some herbs, Aushadhi, from Ayurveda Arsenal. Here's a brief explanation of how these Ayurveda herbs help in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Kutki, Picaryza kuro, promotes liver detoxification and enhances bile and liver enzyme production, helping flush out fat and toxins from the liver. Kelmeg, Andrographis paniculata, reduces liver inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting liver cells from damage and slowing NAFLD progression. Guduchi Tinospora cordifolia boosts immunity and improves metabolic function, helping regulate blood sugar and lipid levels, key factors in NAFLD. Turmeric, curcumin. Backed by clinical studies, curcumin reduces liver fat, inflammation, and insulin resistance, making it highly effective for managing NAFLD. Don't forget, this video is for information purpose only. Always visit a qualified Ayurveda doctor before starting any Ayurveda medicines. Early detection through regular checkups can stop fatty liver before it worsens. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, exercise, and routine care helps prevent the disease and supports overall liver health, even in those without symptoms. Let's talk about something that's gotten a lot of hate over the years: fats. Yup, fats have been blamed for everything from weight gain to heart disease. But guess what? Not all fats are bad. In fact, your body actually needs the right kinds of fats to thrive. Healthy fats help you stay full, support your brain, and even help your body absorb key vitamins like A, D, E, and K. And yes, they make your food taste way better. But here's the thing, not all fats are created equal. As mentioned in the beginning, here is a very practical tip for a skinny liver, which also protects your heart from the real villains: trans fats. These are often found in processed foods, baked snacks, and some margarines. They mess with your cholesterol, increase inflammation, and put a major strain on your liver and heart. Sneaky, right? Want to spot them? Check the ingredient list for partially hydrogenated oils. If you see that, it's a big red flag. Just put it back on the shelf. Then there's saturated fats, especially the kind from processed oils like palm oil, palm kernel oil, cottonseed oil, and coconut oil. Too much of these can raise your bad cholesterol over time. But quick tip, a small quantity of virgin coconut oil, yes, it's also a saturated fat, is okay for occasional cooking or baking. Our ancient science, Ayurveda, highly recommends sesame oil, as it's well known for its high proportion of unsaturated fats, a balanced mix of monounsaturated fat, oleic acid 40%, and polyunsaturated fat, linoleic acid 40 to 42%, and very lower percentage of saturated fat, palmitic acid, about 9% of the total fat. Sesame oil is highly beneficial for heart health. So bottom line, don't fear fat, just choose smart. Go for healthy cold-pressed oil from nuts, almonds, walnuts, seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines. Your body will thank you. Don't miss to read the description of this video if you want to know more resources and information on liver health to empower yourself with tons of knowledge. Real-life healing tips. Your liver is your body's detox hero. Give it the care it deserves. Ayurveda doesn't just treat symptoms, it restores balance from the root. If you follow these basic Ayurvedic principles, your liver can start healing naturally. Consistency is the key. Small changes make a big difference. Comment below. Have you tried any Ayurvedic remedies for digestion or liver health? I'd love to hear your story. Like, share, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a dose of ancient healing wisdom.